Hey everybody, what's up? It is OB Entertainment. Today's YouTube video, I'm showing you guys all how to fix OBS's black screen. This could be, for the purpose of this video, we're not doing Streamlabs, we are doing OBS Studio. So I'm going to go ahead and open up OBS Studio. Now I have the 64-bit, you guys might have the 64 or 32. It shouldn't really matter. I've had the problem with the both in the past. So basically, as you guys see, I'm on a display capture and it's working clearly because we can see this. But if it's not working, you guys should basically, it should look something like that. You guys will just have a black screen like that. You're like, what the heck? You know, you tried everything. You've went through it a few times and it's just not working. So this is what it'll look like. And you guys are like, you know, you guys have tried something. Now, this one method, I'm on Windows and you guys need to be on Windows. And this is for NVIDIA. Now, this has worked every time I've ever had this problem. This one method works for me every single time if you guys have the black screen on OBS Studio. So all you guys need to do is go ahead and exit out of that. And as you guys see, I'm on my desktop here. Right click. And as you guys see, it'll say NVIDIA Control Panel. Go ahead and click that. Now, if this doesn't work for you guys, that is totally fine. Just let me know in the comment section down below if it doesn't work, and I will help you guys figure out what does work for you. But for the sake of this video, for the sake of this, we're just going over this one thing. So now once you guys are here, it might look a little confusing, but don't worry, it's not. Just go over here to the left side where it says Manage 3D Settings. Go ahead and click that and go over here to Program Settings. Give it a second. Dun. All right, so as you guys see, there's a little number one button, little number one there, and it says select program to customize. Basically, click here if OBS isn't already selected, and you guys are going to want to go all the way down to Open Broadcaster software. Click that way it is selected. And if it doesn't show up in this here, if it's not showing up in these options here, it's really easy. You guys just go to click Add. Give it a second. I bet it broke it. Yeah, I broke it. 1 sec. And then you guys would find it in your programs here. And it was one of the first ones. Yeah, see, it's right there. So, but I already have it. And anyway, now this is the part you guys need to make sure you do, is go down here, and it should be on Auto Select, NVIDIA GPU, Use Global Setting. You guys need to go over here to Integrated Graphics. Make sure that's selected. Now, you guys can't just, you know, blah, blah, do nothing from here, okay? You guys need to click this Apply button right here, okay? Click Apply. Once you guys click Apply, you guys just need to exit out of it. Make sure your OBS is closed. Just exit out, and next time you guys open up OBS, it should be fixed. We'll see, though. Let me remove this and let me place a new one just because I placed that way out. Frame, display, booyah, and now it's fixed. So if this video does help you guys, please leave a like down below. Share this video to whoever else you guys might know that it helps. I really support the like. Also subscribe for new videos like this one and just fun content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, freshies, and I'll see you guys next time.